Hello guys, hopefully everyone is fine. In this video we'll be discussing the concept of basic to user defined data type. User defined data type conversion. So in this case what you need to understand is I will assign, first thing, assign a basic data type to user defined data type. Fine, basic data type means integer to any object, and second, the moment we assign it, a parameterized constructor gets called. The moment you assign this particular value, that moment parameterized constructor gets called. These are the basic things to convert a basic data type to user defined data type. So what I'll do is firstly I'll write the main. I'll create a basic data type int x, let's say, is equal to 2. So x value is given as 2 and I create an object a followed by obj. And the moment I create it, I'm assigning the x value to it. So what happens in this scenario? The moment it is created and I'm assigning this x value to it, this x is basic and this is user defined data type. So guys, the moment this statement is written, a parameterized constructor gets called. It means you have to create a parameterized constructor class A. You create a variable int A. In public you are writing a int, let's say, x, and x value is given you write a value is given as x and you are displaying cout a. So guys, the moment you wrote this particular statement, parameterized constructor gets called, and the moment parameterized constructor gets called, you come over here, this x value is assigned to this x value is 2 is given to this a, and a is displayed as 2. This is how you convert a basic data type to a user defined data type. So if there is any doubt, kindly post it in comment section. If you like this video, kindly like, share and subscribe, and share it to maximum audience so that we can reach numbers.